He looks just as strong as ever. Are you sure you're...
A civil authority has issued a hazardous materials warning for the following counties or areas: Siskiyou, California, at 12:46 p.m. on March 17, 2026, effective until 8:46 p.m. Northbound traffic reroute due to road closure on Highway 97 in Doris. Alternate route, from northbound Highway 97, turn east on Shady Dell Road, north on Butte Valley Road, north on Doris/Brown Road, north on Center Street to Highway 97.
Go! What's this? Is Super Robotnik giving up?
Why should I strain myself when I can win without breaking a sweat? A little taste of my heat vision ought to cramp his style.
Ah!